And I still repeat, and I insist, we must accept the way we are. I can hardly go outside there and stand on a podium and start blaming African governments. Because this is the nature of an African. Even currently, people are crying, oh, the cost of living, oh, things have gone up. What have you? We voted for this government and we didn't. But better William Samoei Ruto, he was clear when he was campaigning. He told you, wewe mama mboga, wewe mtu wa boda boda, everybody. This government we will build with you. Hii serikali tutajenga na wewe. Sasa ukiambiwa leta mbao, leta jembe, leta vitu tujenge hiyo serikali. Unarudi nyuma ukiwa mtu unaanza kusema habari kari for habari no nyoleze bin Rais hanlan Ruto una hamerra ariene shala ino kwa hope kura humanyi hana kwa hope Raila Odinga. You guys are complaining like that. Say we didn't know. Kube, this is what we were, and he was clear in his mind. This is the truth. And we must accept for him to implement his government. Because there are some situations that you cannot change. For either 5 years or 10 years. There are situations that you cannot change.